On today's episode of Buy or DIY,
we're helping our friend Heather find a night table solution for her condo bedroom. I'm going to find the perfect buy.
I actually could fall asleep right now.
And I'm gonna find a solution with the DIY.
Hole in one, my friend.
At the end, Heather is going to pick which one she likes best.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
This is Buy or DIY.
Hi, Dani and Alexandra. My name is Heather and I'm a wardrobe stylist. I've recently moved into a condo and I'm hoping that you can help me out with something for the sides of our beautiful bed that we love to sleep in so much. I absolutely love the mirrors in our space. I kind of wish there was some more mirrors because it reflects the water. It's spectacular. I am coming to you guys today with a budget of $150. So if you guys can help me out with that, I would be eternally grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Can we talk about the view outside of her bedroom window?
Gorgeous. Isn't it so lucky to have that lakeside view?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't blame her wanting all those reflective surfaces so that she can see the lake no matter where she is.
I totally agree. And I think with this buy, I really am gonna focus on something that's super decorative. Like I know she wants something functional, but I feel like in that small space, it has to look beautiful.
True, but the challenge with a king-size bed in a small room like that is that anything we bring in, it can't feel chunky.
I totally agree. Like I think these have to definitely go on the wall.
Yes, 100%.
Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new episodes.
And don't forget to click that bell notification because we got lots more content coming your way.
Well, I'm gonna go buy and try not to fall asleep in the stores as I'm looking at beds and night tables and all those things.
Is that what you do when you're shopping? Just fall asleep on the job while I'm off DIYing?
Here's the thing. You don't actually need a ton of space to have beautiful and functional side tables. Here's my plan. For Heather's side tables, I'm looking for something that mounts on the wall to save space. I also want these side tables to have some sort of mirror incorporated in them. That's gonna reflect the light that's coming in beside her bed and make this tiny bedroom feel so much brighter and bigger.
This DIY is simple, but it's packed with functionality and style, which is exactly what Heather's looking for. She is this style queen, so I've pulled out all the stops for her. I'm pulling in an old design favorite and creating Heather 2 hanging wall shelves. Each shelf will be made with white barn board to give it a touch of rustic charm and be complete with 2 shelves. One for a glass of water or book before bed, and the other to charge her phone at night. Of course, Heather mentioned how much she loves mirrors and reflections of the waterfront. So I'm going to add a long piece of glass on the back and give it a DIY mercury glass effect so that when she's lying in bed, the lake will be reflected in the mirror. What a nice view.
When searching for a side table, you can totally think outside the box and go with something a little untraditional, like a decorative ladder. Now, this one's actually supposed to be for a bathroom, and I think it totally works in a bedroom because you can put a throw blanket over the ladder part, and then you have a surface for things like books and a glass of water. This piece is proof that you don't always have to go with a traditional side table in your bedroom.
What I have here for Heather is a nice piece of barn board that has been pre-barned. We're gonna cut these pieces to be 26 inches in length. And we're going to be drilling 2 holes in our 4.5-inch shelves. No one said DIY was gonna be clean. Some of my edges are not great, but how I'm gonna fix this is with wood fill. Just using my finger to fill in the gaps.
I actually could fall asleep right now.
So good. If you live in a really small space and don't have anywhere to put a side table, use your dresser as a double duty piece of furniture. So you can store clothes inside of it, and if you push it up against your bed, it totally becomes a great night table. Now, this will not work in Heather's space, but I know this is a solution for so many other people. So let's keep looking and see what we can find.
To fix some of these open edges, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking a white wood stain. It's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. You know when like paint's been sitting on a barn and then in the sun for a really long time and it's kind of got those like drops? Sun-kissed, the wood's been sun-kissed. People are gonna come over and be like, oh my God, did you like get those shelves in an old barn? And Heather will be like, no man, Dani made them for me. And then they're gonna go, Dani, did you like source this wood from like an old barn? And I'll be like, yes. Yes, I did.
Since the size of Heather's bed is so important to her, there's not a lot of room left for side tables. So a product like this is great. It solves that problem because it works double duty. So it's a headboard and it also comes with these slats, and you can slip these cool shelves into the slats so you have a place to put your water at the end of the day, a place to put your book. A piece like this proves you don't have to sacrifice the size of your bed for storage. You can have them both.
I'm just gonna be transparent with you. It's not staying like this. To buy mercury glass can get quite expensive, but to DIY it, well, you're gonna need a spray bottle that is half vinegar, half water. What we're gonna do first, we're just going to cover the entire surfaces of our glass. It's a spray paint, but it has a mirror effect. I'm gonna take my vinegar mix, shake it up, and you can see that it starts to create kind of like a bubbled effect. The last step is I'm taking some tissue paper. I'm just gonna start dabbing. Dab and dab, dab and dab. This is gonna be what wins this competition.
Hey, how are you guys? Come in.
Thank you.
So this is the space.
Oh, beautiful.
So beautiful.
This is lovely.
Thank you guys. It's a very like serene sort of bedroom space. We just have absolutely no functioning side tables. We tried for these little mushroom things. They look cute, they do nothing. So I'm kind of going for something that looks cute and it is functional as well.
Can we just talk about the view outside of your bedroom window?
We are
It's
quite
so
addicted to the
beautiful.
view. When we're looking at specific mirrors, it reflects the water into the condo, so we almost feel like we're away on vacation a lot, which is my favorite place to be.
Well,
Amazing.
I love to reflect. We've been reflecting a lot, and we've come up with 2 options that are gonna be amazing. We're gonna solve your problem. Are you ready?
I'm dying to see them. This is so long overdue.
Okay, well, I'm gonna give you this bandana.
Okay.
You're gonna cover your eyes, we're gonna lead you out, and then we're gonna show you our 2 options. All right, so we're gonna put you into place.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I just want to take it off right now, this second.
Okay,
On the count of 3. 1,
2, 3.
Oh my God, this is amazing. This is so pretty, you guys. I actually love both of them. And like, are these baskets, it's 1-on-1? Or like, explain.
Okay, I'll first explain my buy. When I walked into your space, I was so taken aback by the gorgeous view. So jealous. So I wanted to get you something that was going to, 1, make the space feel really airy. So that's why I went with these mirror floating side tables. I wanted the mirrors to reflect the water, bring that into your bedroom even more so it feels like your bedroom is just surrounded by water on all sides. And then the baskets are meant to hold books, your phone chargers, and then put your phone in the basket at night to charge. So that way your phone isn't like by your head while you're sleeping. It's down there, you can't see it like light up. It's tucked away and you're still getting that function out of your side table.
I love mirrors, so the mirrors are perfect. The gold is very nice. I like your idea of putting all of your clutter in the baskets hidden away. I love to hide clutter. I hate when it's like out and about.
So you gave Dani and I a budget of $150. I spent $144.
Close.
You still have money left over for a coffee.
Exactly.
So before we do a lot of reflecting on the buy, let's do some reflecting on the DIY. For my DIY, I went with more of a rustic feel because you have these sprinkles of farmhouse and I love that. So I went with a beautiful white barnwood as the base of my shelves. I showed how you can actually style it with a book and a beautiful candle, or this can be a glass of water before you go to bed, however you'd like. And I did a double-decker shelf, and here is why. We all just want to look at Instagram in the morning. I get it. I'm totally there with you. So I added a little hole so that you can put your cords through the hole and then charge your phone down below. window. What's nice is that if it turns on at nighttime, it's not going to shine in your face, but it is in arm's reach at all times. And then let's talk about the reflection. I brought in this beautiful DIY mercury glass. It brings in that modern luxury feel with a farmhouse vibe. So it's reflecting that waterfront view that you love so much, but kind of in a more minimal way.
I love the idea of, like, first of all, the hole for the charger is great because it's just that much cleaner. I love like the white and gray and sort of black cool tones to it. And it's really cool, it's unique. Like, I've never really seen anything like that. And yeah, great job.
You gave us a budget of $150. I spent a total of $105 for the 2 floating side shelves.
Crazy.
So all in all, I feel like this is really good bang for your buck with a high value finish.
Okay, so you've seen both options, you've had a minute to think about it, so the time has come to ask the question of the hour. Are you going to buy or are you going to DIY?
I love both, and I'm not just saying that, I genuinely love both. They both serve such a key purpose that I need in my life. I think I'm going to choose...
Oh my gosh, my heart.
Me too, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna do the DIY.
Oh, good one, Dani.
Thank you.
Good job.
Yay.
Good job to both of you, thank you so much.
Oh,
Yay.
nice win, Dani.
Thank you, I feel good. They look awesome.
They
in
look
this space.
so great. Also, this bed is so comfortable. I think we should
know.
just live in this bed forever.
But you guys should let us know what you think. Were you team DIY?
Or team buy.
Let us know in the comments section and we will see you next time.
Bye.